Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Roblox without downloading it in 2025. So whether you are on a school computer, a Chromebook, or you just don't want to install the app, this is the easiest way that you can follow. So in 2025, Roblox support cloud gaming on web browser. So you can open any of the modern web browser like Chrome or Edge, and then you need to simply just come here on roblox.com. Then you need to log in into your Roblox account. Over here on the home page, you are going to see all of the applications or all of the games that you can basically play. So you can click on this play button and start playing the game right away. It will going to stream directly without any download. Now, if Roblox Cloud is not available in your region, you can also use the other services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or GeForce Now, which also let you stream Roblox through the cloud. You just have to sign in, search for the Roblox, and start playing it instantly. Now, on some of the devices like Chromebooks or iPads, you can open the web browser and log in into the Roblox account. Many games can run directly in your web browser through streaming without needing a full app. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.